Good morning and Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel Glorious School Zoo. Today I am here at Multi Zoo, which is located in sector B17 of Islamabad. There is an entry ticket for adults and kids above 2 years old. Numerous rides for kids also available nowadays. There is a good offer in which all rides are free, included in entry ticket. We were given fish food to feed the fishes in the pond, and I had a lot of fun feeding them. There were a lot of animals, and all of the animals were well kept and they were in a neat and tidy environment. There were also monkeys over there, and they were looking at us like we were going to give them food, but we didn't have any food. We couldn't feed them any food, and there was a large variety of different animals. I had a lot of fun looking at them. And then we went inside the bird aviary. There were a lot of birds over there, and even ducks. We had a lot of fun feeding them. We were also given bird food to feed them, and I didn't feed them with my hands because I was kind of scared. But there were different kinds of birds, a large variety of them, and they looked very pretty. They were well kept and neat and tidy.
Roll over.
I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye.